everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm at Walgreens. I am excited to go couponing. I actually got coupons that I never get before. I was at my parents' house this weekend, so I got newspapers where they live, which is awesome. So I got insert coupons that I never get, so I'm pretty stoked for that. But I'm here to share with you guys what I'm gonna get at Walgreens. So I'm gonna walk through the store, show you some deals. I may or may not do every deal, but I show you guys the deals. And then I come back and show you my breakdown, and then I also have a printable breakdown. So I got all three in one video for you guys, so let's go shopping. Here we have the Rimmel Lip Gloss. It's $4.99, and then there's actually a 40% off sale. So you guys want to use that sale for $4.99. And we actually have a $2 off digital coupon, or there's also a $2 off insert coupon, so you guys will get this for 99 cents. Now online it does say $3.99, so you end up getting this for 39 cents if your store will price match it for you. So the Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7 along with the whole blends. We do have some insert coupons for 3 off of 2. Otherwise there is digital coupons for 3 off of 2 for the whole blends. And there's also digital coupons for 3 off of 2 for the Garnier Fructis, making your final price just $4 or $2 a piece. If you guys enjoyed this deal, the chloron-free tampons and pads, they're actually $9.99, and there is a $3 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, or there is a $3 off coupon on your app. So you'll end up paying $6.99, but then there are $3 off rebates with Ibotta, making these just $3.99 if you guys want to do this deal. There's also a deal where if you spend up to $50 in P&G products, you'll get $10 cash rewards. So if you guys want to do that, I think this is P&G. No, it's not. But there is a deal where if you spend $50, you will get a $10 points. Now there are some different deals for this, but we have Crest Toothpaste and Oral-B. They're on sale for $3 and $4. Now there are some where if you buy 2 you get a $4 register reward, but there is a deal where if you spend $10 you get a different register reward. So what you could do is you could buy 2 of the $3 toothpaste and 1 of the $4 off toothpaste, making it $10. We currently have a digital coupon for $5 off of 3, making this just $5, and then you'll get a $5 register reward, making them absolutely free. Now here's the other deal. We have the Crest Toothpaste. Now this is a deal where you might have to do a separate transaction than the Colgate, but they're on sale for $3. We also have a Scope mouthwash for $3, and it is a buy 2 you get a $4 register reward. But we also have a $1 off digital for the toothpaste and a $1 off digital for the mouthwash. I do not have a $1 digital for the toothbrushes, but I do have it for the toothpaste and mouthwash. So you'll buy 2 of them, you use the 2 $1 off digital coupons, you'll end up paying $4, but then you'll get a $4 register reward. This deal and this deal you can do in the same transaction. This deal you cannot pay with points, but this one you can. Just want to give you guys a heads up if you're trying to use all 3 digital coupons. We got the Colgate Toothpaste on sale for $4 a piece. We actually have 2 different digital coupons. We have a 4 off of 2 and a 3 off of 2. So you want to clip the 4 off of 2, but you want to make sure this is a different transaction than the buy 2 for Crest. They have to be a separate transaction. But you use that 4 off of 2 digital coupon, you'll end up paying $4 for 2 of them, but then you'll get a $4 register reward when you buy both, making these absolutely free. You can also mix and match. There's nothing for toothpaste. And there's nothing for mouthwash, so never mind. So only toothpaste. Here we have the Tide deal. There might be some digital coupons for you guys. I used mine up, so I do not have these digital coupons. But we have the Tide Liquid for $4.99. We have the Tide Pods for $4.99. We also have the Dawn deal and Swiffer deal and Cascade deal for $4.99. You want to buy 3 of them. You end up paying $14.97. But you will receive a $5 cash rewards, making them just $9.97 or $3.32 a piece if you want to do that deal. Here we have the Persil liquid. The pods are also on sale for $4.99. We do have a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can use, making them just $2.99. Here we have the Purex laundry detergent. We also have the Purex crystals for $1.99. And then we have this $1 off laundry detergent coupon that I printed from a website that I can't remember what it's called. I think it's like something Care. But you can use this $1 off printable coupon, making these just 99 cents if you want to do that deal. Here's the Scott's toilet paper. It's only for the toilet paper, not the paper towels or the Kleenex, but it's $5. It's currently on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. We currently have just a $1 off digital coupon for the Scott's toilet paper. So you'll end up paying $6.50 for 2 of them after the $1 off coupon, making them $3.25 a piece if you want to do that deal. The Kellogg cereal is on sale for $1.88. Now I do have a $1 off 2 printable coupon that I got from the Kellogg's Family Rewards. So it'll end up being $3.72 with that $1 off coupon, making them $2.76 or just $1.38. But then there's also a deal, and I did make a video with all the details, but there is a deal where you guys can get a free book with every box of cereal that you buy. There is a list where you can click on the participating products and the UPC code match to what I'm getting. So I'll end up getting 2 free books with buying 2 boxes of cereal. You need some snacks. They do have some cookies, Oreos and the Walgreens brand on sale for $1.99. They also have Cheez-Its for $1.88 and some more Cheez-Its for $1.88.
Everybody, welcome back. I hope you guys did some shopping at Walgreens. Walgreens is kind of a slow week this week, but there is some great freebies. Not a lot of deals like stuck out. There was some deals that I wanted to do, but I didn't feel like it was the greatest deal. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Sad thing is I only have 1 bag. I did have a hiccup with my thing. The Catalina machine was not printing. I went to a different register than what I always do, and the kid knew it was wrong, broken, and I'm like, that's fine. Because then I go and find the manager, and she somehow does something where she like makes it through a transaction, and then she post voids it. So then the thing like prints out, but there was one problem that did not print out. So I'm sorry, I thought my car is not on. So that's how she does it. Otherwise, if sometimes there's a problem, she just gives me points, but she prefers to do the post void thing. Anyways, I got some Apple Jacks. My stepdad is obsessed with Apple Jacks, so I thought I'm gonna get him some cereal because I have way too much Kellogg cereal. It's ridiculous. I need to eat through it. Otherwise, I'm gonna just donate a ton of it because I got so much. So these are on sale for $1.88 this week. I printed off a $1 off a 2 printable coupon from Kellogg's FamilyRewards.com. So you guys want to definitely go ahead and use that website. That's a great website. They have coupons on there. You can save up your points to get gift cards and freebies. I've gotten like a headband. I've gotten a couple things here and there. But you'd end up getting this for $2.76 for both of these. But if you guys watch a video I made a couple weeks ago, Kellogg's cereal has this deal usually every single summer where you get a free book when you buy a box of cereal. In the past, it's been 10 books. This year, it is 6 books. So that's okay if you guys want to get 6 books. Sometimes you might have a relative that might have an account if you want to go ahead and use their account. I really enjoy the books. The books I love to get the most is the Berenstain Bear books. I grew up on those books. I want my kids to grow up on those books. But anyways, it says that it has to be out of specially marked boxes. Here's the thing, go to the Kellogg's Family Rewards. I showed it in the breakdowns for you guys. It shows a participating thing. I just looked at the UPC code at the participating products, and this was considered a participating product. So what I'm going to do is submit my receipt to Kellogg's Family Rewards, and I will get 2 free books. You don't pay for shipping, you do not pay for nothing, and they sometimes send it to you right away. Sometimes they don't. It's a hit or miss, but definitely go ahead and do that. I recommend if you need anybody who needs books, there's books for different levels of reading. If you need to give birthday presents or Christmas presents, this is a great thing to do to start saving up stuff to give away for the end of the year, which I could always do that because sometimes we have too much books. So didn't want to talk too much about that, but that's a great deal. Now I ended up getting the Purex laundry detergent. This was $1.99 for this. I used a $1 printable coupon from, I can't remember, something care. If you go to Lazo.com, it'll take you directly to the website. And they've been having some good, decent printables. There is a Dial coupon on there that's a printable, and then there's also a Renews It coupon that's printable. So you would just get this for 99 cents, which is a great, great deal. Now, this deal I did, okay, I don't remember what toothpaste I bought. I got some confused. Anyways, the Colgate toothpaste is $4 a piece. There was two different digitals. There is a 3 off of 2 and there is a 4 off of 2. I did not clip them until I get to the store to see what is the better deal. So I used the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4 for the both of these, but then you get a $4 register reward, making them absolutely for free. Now there's another deal, and you want to do this one. I know it was the Crest Scope, and then one of these toothpastes were $3. I can't remember, but there's a $1 off coupon for the Scope, and there's a $1 off coupon for one of the Crests. So I was gonna do that. You would have paid $4 for that, and then you would get a $4 register reward, making it free. But somehow, when I was showing you guys my video, I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. It did not show up in the app, but it came off at the registers. No idea how that happened. So this ended up becoming a $1 moneymaker for me. If you guys do have that coupon, definitely go ahead and do that. Like I said, I can't remember what Crest is what. You just have to read your tags, but I got confused with these. So I did this deal. Now, the toothpaste is $3, and the toothbrush was $4, okay? I had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that I used. You guys would pay $5 for this, but then you get a $5 register reward. The $5 register reward did not print for me. She was having a problem, so she just ended up giving me points for that. But definitely go ahead and do that. So yeah, so there's two different Crest deals. There is a spend 10, which is this deal. So I got $10 worth of product, and then I use that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. And then there is a buy 2. So you guys can do both of them in the same transaction. You just can't pay with points for this transaction. And the other Crest deal and the Colgate deal, you cannot do in the same transaction because it's kind of the same deal. So I'm not trying to confuse you. I explained it a little bit better in the breakdowns when I show you guys everything. But my total came to $13.33. One thing I do want to share with you guys is when it says store coupon, I've mentioned this before, you can use this on anything. You do not need a filler when it says store coupon. So if you bought 10 items and you have 10 coupons, you can actually use this and it'll come right off. If you get one that says manufacturer, which I don't have, then you have to use you have to have a filler. So there were some clearance items for like 5 cents, 10 cents in there, but everything was gone, which is totally fine. But just giving you guys a heads up, if you do have an item like my cereal, like I had a $1 off of 2, technically you can use a manufacturer register reward because this could be a filler item. So you just got to have enough paper with enough products for that to equal out. So if I didn't want to confuse you guys, but that's just how it works. It's pretty easy once you figure that out. But I ended up having to do 3 separate transactions just because one deal I could not pay with the employee discount, and then the 2 other deals I had to do in a separate transaction because of, you know, they're the same deal. So my total came to $13.33. I ended up getting $13 in register rewards. I got the 2 8s, and then I was supposed to get the 5, but she gave me points for that instead. So $13 of register rewards. And then I ended up getting 22 cents in points. Wow, 22 cents in points. That's great. So my grand total came to 11 cents for everything. 11 cents. It's a little bit of a slow week, but that is okay. I showed you guys more deals that you can do with digitals. Oh, I actually have one more item that I forgot to show you. I actually got the Rimmel lip gloss. This was originally $4.99. They are 40% off, making this $2.99. I used a $2 off coupon, making this just 99 cents. Now, if your store will price match the online price, I think it was like $3 or $2.99 is the sale price, and then you use, or I can't remember what it was. But anyways, you can see if your store will price match. But I just wanted to share with you guys that deal. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.